Refraction. We will learn in this video about the refraction of light. Light rays can travel through many different transparent media, including air, water, and glass. So when light travels from one medium to another, it undergoes change in speed and therefore change in the direction of propagation of the rays, which is called refraction. Noting that the speed of light in vacuum is the maximum value of speed of light, which is, as we know, 3 times 10 power 8 meters per second. And it's true that light travels in air slower than in vacuum, but the difference is negligible, so we take them both as approximately equal to each other. Moving on, in this simulator, we can see these light waves with red wavefronts. When light rays meet the boundary between two mediums, part of them will be reflected, as you can see, and the other part will be refracted. And the difference is obvious how the reflected part is of the same wavelength as the incident rays, so their speed is still the same, and how the wavelength of the refracted part is smaller than that of the incident rays, which means that they undergo a decrease in their speed, and that's why they undergo a change in their direction. Moreover, in this figure, it shows how light rays refract when passing from air into a glass block and then out of the glass block back into the air. So, let's discuss this experiment in the next video.